the state of art of artificial intelligence, the autonomous planning and scheduling. Okay, so where here the systems are autonomously planning and scheduling. Okay, so it was developed by NASA. NASA is having the remote agent program. It is working on autonomous planning program to control the scheduling of operations for a spacecraft. Okay, so it is at 1,000 miles from 1,000 million miles from the Earth. Okay, so it will be on the spacecraft. For scheduling spacecraft, it is operating. Okay, so this agent is used to receive the high level goals from the ground. And what it has to do, it has to monitor the operation of spacecraft as these goals are executed on the spacecraft. When we are some executing some program on spacecraft, what happens? There may be some errors. Okay, so what this autonomous agent should do, this agent should detect the errors, diagnose the errors, and recover the problems as they occur. Okay, so this NASA remote agent program is autonomously working. Means it is a AI. It is the development of AI and success of AI. And AI is also used in game planning, playing. Okay, so we have discussed that IBM's Deep Blue won the chess match with the world champion at that time. Okay, so in playing also artificial intelligence is used. So because of this IBM Deep Blue, what happens? The IBM stock is increased by the $18 billion. Means that whatever investment they have done on AI, they are getting back. Okay. Then autonomous control. So what is here? We have Alvin is a computer vision system that is trained to drive a car. Okay. So here this Alvin computer vision system is placed in NavLab computer control mini van. So what is this NavLab computer control mini van? Here the steering will be controlled by the computer only. Okay, so that is why this Alvin is placed in NavLab computer control minivan to control the steering. Okay, and it was successful that it has traveled around 2,850 miles. Okay, and in this travel, 98% of the travel time driving is done by this Alvin computer vision system only. Only 2% of driving is done by the human. That too, human took the driving steering control only at the exit ramps. At the remaining places, the steering was done by this Alvin computer vision system only. Okay, to do that, what are the things it has? The NavLab is a minivan. No? So the NavLab has a video cameras that transmit the road maps to Alvin. Okay, so the road information we are getting from NavLab to Alvin. Then Alvin will be just analyzing that, and it is able to detect the what is the best direction to steer. Okay, so like that, the Alvin is used to control the steering of NavLab computer control minivan, and it is also used in diagnosis. Okay, so in medical diagnosis programs, usually probabilistic analysis is used, where AI is used to give the results similar to the expert physician. Okay, and AI is also used in logistic planning. So it means that it is used for transporting. Okay, so for transporting we are using AI. Okay, so here in the year 1991, US forces deployed a dynamic analysis and replacing tool that is called DART. DART. DART means what? Dynamic analysis and replacing tool, to do the automatic logistic planning and scheduling for transportation. Okay, so for scheduling of transportation and logistic planning, it is used. So using this DART, they could able to transport 50,000 vehicles, cargoes, people at a time. Had to count for starting point. What it has to do? It has to account for starting point, destination routes, and conflicts resolution among all parameters whenever traveling. So what is the starting point, destination and routes, and whatever the conflicts we are getting, all these parameters it has considered, and it has done this logistic planning and scheduling for transport successfully. Okay, so that is why this is the, what is this, Defense Advanced Research Project Agent. This is the agent has funded this project. Okay, so after funding this project, so due because this project is successful, it has got the money whatever it has spent on AI for 30 years. It has got all the investments back because of this its success. Okay, and AI is also used in robotics. So usually robotics are used in surgeons. Nowadays robotics are used in hip hip replacement, knee replacement. Wherever you see the boards, the knee replacement is done by robotic controllers or no. So the robotics are used in hip replacement and knee replacements and all. HipNav is a system that uses the computer vision techniques to create the three-dimensional model of patient's internal anatomy. Okay, it will be having complete information about patient's internal anatomy. So then the robotic control guide the insertion of hip replacement prosthesis. Okay, so that is why hip replacement can be done successfully by robotic control. Similarly, nowadays knee replacements are also done by robotic control only. Okay, and the AI is used in language understanding and problem solving. In this also AI is used. So for this we can see a system that called Proverb is a system. It is a program, computer program that solves the crosswords puzzles better than most humans, because it is having more possible word fitters and large database of puzzles and large variety of information sources, including dictionaries, online database, so on. Because of that, it is able to solve the puzzles, cross puzzles better than humans. Okay, so these are the state of art of AI.